If you've ever wondered where some of the brightest minds in automotive design are cultivated,
but you don't want to make this exactly like that.
Spend a day roaming the classrooms at the Art Center College of Design in Pasadena, California. The school's transportation design program is one of the best in the world, where students create innovative vehicles in a challenging environment.
We teach the basics of ability to think spatially, to imagine, to draw, to help other people imagine the ideas that you see, communicate them very well visually.
Department Chair Stuart Reed says the program focuses on everything from interior and exterior design to vehicle technology and product planning.
The lines go smooth, consistent.
In this early term class, students study design concepts, buyer behavior, sketching. The assignment, research the lifestyle of a targeted buyer, then design a car based on their needs.
So first, what we want to do today, I'm going to take you through work we delivered to a client.
In a nearby class, instructor Eric Noble teaches these third-term students the importance of occupant package planning for larger than average buyers. About 50% of the courses are lecture-based. The rest are group and individual work projects with constructive critiques.
There's no weight behind the rear wheel.
Student Ben Messmer says the feedback is hard to hear.
It's tough. I mean, you know, when your passion is being exposed.
But he knows it's coming from faculty who, for the most part, are also working professionals in the industry.
The best teachers at Art Center have learned every day that they're on the job, and they're giving their most contemporary knowledge to us as they teach.
Tisha Johnson is one example. She's a designer with Volvo, an alumna, as well as a role model for women.
Less than 5% of car designers are women.
Johnson would like to see more women follow her career path. She says it starts by raising awareness.
How to let women know that there's this great opportunity with regard to car design. You know, that it's a choice.
Karen Liang is one of a handful of female students in the program.
The reason why I got into transportation design is I think it's very challenging.
Her interior Chocolicious design and bridge concept project illustrates how women have a different design perspective than men.
We're more emotional, we're more romantic thinker. We're not necessarily just, oh, this car has to be cool, it has to be this fast car. We're more like, oh, how's this car gonna impact the driver, you know? We think differently.
Art Center is also big on sponsored projects. These drawings by Alex Alexiev are for a boutique car maker looking to develop an American-made sports coupe.
Personally, what I did was I actually looked at some iconic American figures that I thought represented the persona, the mentality of the U.S.
Alexiev says these types of real-life assignments help prepare him for the real world of automotive design.
At first you come in and you're excited to sketch and you just do these crazy things, and at the end you have to really think, you know, what am I designing? You have to be conscious of the buyer, what they want.
Throughout its 60-year program history, Art Center has churned out an impressive roster of alumni, including Chris Bangle of BMW, Jay Mays, Global Design Chief at Ford, and Henrik Fisker of Karma fame. This elite group of students hope to rise to the prestige of their predecessors as they continue to create imaginative vehicles that may one day change the face of automotive design.
You can't have a dark view of what the future is if you're in design. You have to believe that you can make things better and enrich people's lives more with the design process.